Howdy again. Bags Cubed here. This time with the other Diamonds and Pearls set. It is the same box except bigger. It is the same box as the CD one had, but bigger. That's what I meant to say. It is the... Sorry. Anyway, continuing where I was. This is the vinyl box set. It's the same sticker, except it says 12LP Blu-Ray. Says what is on what. Prints of the New Power Generation Diamonds and Pearls on the side, and then the track listing for each LP on the back. Yet again, if you want to put that thing in the box, you sure can. A closer look at the sticker if you care about that. But just like with the Sign of the Times box set, this slides out. Then you have all your spines there. And of course, the first thing you're given is obviously the book, which features, well, I already showed it in the last video, so I'm not gonna show it off again here. I'll move that to the side and start making my way through everything. But what we have here first is the main album. Prince of the New Power Generation, Diamonds and Pearls. The main release of this will have a blue background, but this is a colorized version of the main album. And then the back, these are all going to be the same as the CD, except with new stuff in it. It doesn't seem to be that there's any protective sleeves this time, but like the other sets had. So this is the track listing for side one. I mean, for the entire album, I should say. Original album remastered, side 1, which is Thunder through Diamonds and Pearls. Side 2 is Cream through Get Off. This one is picture of the New Power Generation, and there's nothing on the back. Side 3 is Walk, Don't Walk, Jughead, Money Don't Matter Tonight, and Push, while side 4 is Insatiable and Live for Love. Single mixes and B-sides. That's the backside with the track listing. And the rest of these are in a gatefold, except for the third one, which is a trifold. And in here, we have a picture of Prince from the video for Follow the Organ Grinder. Got caught in there. Disc 1 is both versions of Get Off, Violet the Organ Grinder, Gangster Glam, Horny Pony, and Cream the NPG mix, with the inner sleeve, being another picture of the New Power Generation. And then the second one is a picture of Prince, a close-up of Prince, really, with Things Have Gotta Change, Tony M rap, Do Your Dance, KC's remix, Insatiable edit, Diamonds and Pearls edit, Money Don't Matter Tonight edit, Willing and Able edit, Willing and Able video version, and Thunder. Gosh. Next up is Vault Tracks 1. Moving the scissors out of the way. With another picture of Prince. A close-up. Schoolyard, My Tender Heart, Pain, Streetwalker, Lorianne, Dark Side, Insatiable Early Mix, Full Version, Glam Slam 91, Live for Love, Cream, Skip to You, My Darling, and Diamonds and Pearls long version. And here we have a tape box with what looks to be the Schoolyard and, the tape and guiding notes for the Schoolyard. The front, we have a picture of a tape box for Lorianne and the track listing for Vault Tracks 1, specifically this one, this disc. This is side 2, which is Streetwalker, Lorianne, and Dark Side. And side 1 is Schoolyard, My Tender Heart, and Pain. Side 3 is Insatiable Early Mix, Glam Slam 91, and Live for Love early version, as well as Cream Take 2, Skip to You, My Darling, and Diamonds and Pearls long version, with a tape box, an actual tape reel for Skip to You, My Darling. Side 4, as you know, and side 3. The next one, which is Vault 2, which I seem to be mistaken, because this is the last Vault thing there is in here. So I believe they made this a triple. A shot of Prince and a shot of the tape box for Marquita Jam, Don't Say You Love Me. Folding this out, we got the tape box for Marquita Jam, and then the actual instrument notes for Marquita Jam. I believe that's what that is called. I'm not too sure. The tape reel for Work That Fat. Vault 2 is Daddy Pop, 12-inch version, Marquita's Kitchen, Spirit, Open Book, Work That Fat. There's Vault 2. Sorry if you can't see the tracks that well. Anyway, as I was saying, Work That Fat, Horny Pony version 2, Something Funky, This House Comes, and Hold Me. I'm going to pull the rest of the items out off screen to make it easier for myself, but Vault 2 is Blood on the Sheets, The Last Dance, Bang Zoom Pow and the Whole 9, Don't Say You Love Me, Get Blue, Tip of My Tongue, The Voice, and Trouble. With the, I don't know what this is called, but the sound guide, maybe, for Trouble. This is side 4. And side 3. The final one, side 5, Alice Through the Looking Glass, Standing at the Altar, Hey You, Letter for Miles, I Pledge Allegiance to Your Love, and Thunder Ballet. With the tape reel revealing Hey You, Standing at the Altar. Side 6, which I said, Pledge Allegiance to Your Love, Thunder Ballet. Oh, 10 minutes, golly. Wow. Alice Through the Looking Glass, Standing at the Altar, Hey You, and Letter for Miles. Last but not least is the Live at the Glam Slam 92 concert. With the different photos of Prince and the Flying Cloud guitar, as well as another shot of Prince. On the back, it also shows the track listing with no side 6, because I'm pretty sure, from what I know, that is an etching. Disc 1, with Prince performing, Side A. Side B. I think I've been neglecting to show off the back sides of some of these, of the actual albums. I mean, outer sleeves that they give you, but they're all the same as the ones from the CD set. Except they say side as well, but, you know. Nothing compares to you, Thieves in the Temple, and Sexy MF. On the back side is Insatiable, with a medley of Cream, Well Done, I Want You, and In the Socket. And the final one is... Let me just get situated. And the final one is Live at the Glam Slam 92, Side 5, 1999, Baby I'm a Star, Push Medley, Get Off, and Get Off House Style. Here's a shot of Prince in the New Power Generation, as of course. There's the medley that was 10 minutes, 6 minutes, and the other. And then our etching is Prince and the New Power Generation, Diamonds and Pearls. The album artwork, which is a nice inclusion, you know. Interesting choice to do that one. And so that'll do it for the Prince Diamonds and Pearls Super Deluxe Vinyl Edition. This is much shorter than the CD one because I went into much more detail about the set there. So if you just wanted a very brief rundown of what is in this, then, you know, this is the video for you. So that's it. Have a good day. See you. Bye.